Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. My name is Nurmiza bint Abdul Razak and I'm going to present my project which is the development of shoes dryer using microcontroller with Internet of Things IoT. But before I start, I would like to thank to my supervisor Puan Nurliana who helped me a lot in completing this project. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to explain the introduction and the purpose of this project. Shoes are daily necessities for people to use in the activities they do. So, this project presents the development of shoes dryer with IoT, which is easier for users to dry shoes at home. The purpose of this shoes dryer with IoT is it allows users to control the shoes dryer and display the temperature and humidity value by using the Telegram application. Okay, next is problem statement, which is difficulty faced by people to dry their shoes. There are various methods that can be used in drying shoes such as place under the sun. Even with using that method, some problems still occur such as the color of shoes fade and damage occur to shoes that are dried under the sun for too long. Drying under sunlight is not guaranteed due to unpredictable changing weather conditions. Some people who live in flats find it difficult to get enough sunlight as it is constructed by other buildings. Okay, my objective of this project is to develop a shoes dryer that is easy and safe to dry at home and to display the temperature and humidity value inside dryer. Now let's move on to the methodology of this project. For this part, I will explain how the project flow based on the flowchart shown. As usually, first of all, it will start then check the temperature value. When the message show less than 30 degree, press the on button at the option button to start drying. Then check again if the temperature reach 35 degree and we can turn off the dryer or continue drying if the temperature has not reached the 35 degree. So the next picture is the block diagram of this project. The input is DHT11 sensor, ESP8266 MCU, and the process is the fan and heating element, and output is display temperature and humidity on the Telegram app. The project features of this final product is the shoes dryer box. The box has length of 44 cm, height 40 cm, and width 33 cm. The body of the shoes dryer box is made from infra polyplus board and sealed with aluminum foil inside the box. It consists of two DC fans, two bulbs, and one DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. The picture on the right side is a Telegram interface named Shoes Dryer Project. The dryer has been tested and the result found that the shoes will dry at temperature over 35 degrees. So, the time taken for shoes to dry depends on the temperature set, which is 35 degrees. Two types of shoes from different materials were tested with different shoes dryer condition setup, such as F1B1 on, F1B1B2 on, F1B1 B2 on, and F1 F2 B1 and B2 on. For shoes for shoes with leather material, the time that has been successfully recorded is 60 minutes, 55 minutes, 50 minutes, and 40 minutes. For shoes with fabric material, the time that has been successfully recorded is 70 minutes, is 90 minutes, 70 minutes, 50 minutes, and 45 minutes. As the result shown, the type of shoes material plays an important role in determining the drying time. Found that the shoes with leather material dry faster than shoes with fabric material. If all the bulbs and fans buttons are turned on, the faster the time taken for the shoes to dry. This project is about the development of a shoe dryer that integrates the Node MCU ESP8266 microcontroller board and the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. The main objective to develop a shoe dryer using microcontroller with IoT, which is the Telegram application used, is allow the user to monitor temperature and humidity values and can control the dryer to on and off. Can be summarized, the development of this project has been successfully achieved. And lastly, this project has the potential to be commercialized. For home use, this shoe dryer project can help in drying shoes easily and safely.
Okay, this is my shoes dryer box. This prototype is connected with power supply to on the bulbs. So, this prototype contains two bulbs, two DC fans, and one DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. And at the top of box, there is a battery, Node MCU ESP8266 and 4 channel relays. Okay, I put aluminium foil inside this box because it can maintain the warm airflow. And the shoes to be dried can be placed here at the center inside the box. Okay, this shoes dryer can dry only one pair of shoes at a time. Okay, now I will show the IoT features in the Telegram apps. There is the interface of my Telegram apps which can control the dryer. For the first time user, type /start and press enter. Then a welcome message will appear. There are three options we can choose, which is /temperature check, /humidity check and /option. When we select /option, the message press the button to start drying will come out. So this button can be pressed to control the bulb and fans to on and off. To check the temperature, press /temperature check and the temperature reading will be displayed. Same as humidity, press the /humidity check and humidity reading will be displayed. Okay, now I try to turn on the dryer by using this button. When I press the B1 on button, fan 1 will be on. This can be seen in the serial monitor. Got response 1 new message and call back button press with text on 1. Next, button 2 for bulb 1, button 1, button 3 for bulb 2 and button 4 for fan 2. So, in the serial monitor will display call back button press with text on 2, call back button press with text on 3 and call back button press with text on 4. To turn off the bulb and fan, press the B off button. When I press B1 off button, the fan 1 will turn off. And when I press B2 off button, bulb 1 will turn off. And when I press B3 off button, the bulb 2 will turn off. And lastly, when I press B4 button, the fan 2 will turn off. So this is my so that's all all from my project. Thank you.